everybody, how are you guys? I wanted to share with you a package that I recently got in the mail from, I'm not 100% sure how to say the name, MHOTHAIR, but they're an incredible company. They are hair extensions, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and show you what's in it and how I put them in my hair. So it has a beautiful packaging, the ribbon, and then when you open it, you've got the hair extensions. They do come in a bag, and one thing to mention with the bag is it does have a void seal, so that way you can't open it because they are returnable and exchangeable if the color doesn't work. So it does come with a sample strand, and it also comes with a coupon. And then something really amazing is they also came with these gorgeous lashes. So I'm really excited to try those out. So for the extensions, they are 16 inches and they are 120 grams. And I've already toned mine, so I got them in number 60. I've already toned them, but I am going to show you the difference. Mine are not straight right now because I did have them in the package, but I do like them to have a little bit of volume to them anyways. So this is what it looks like after I've toned it. This is one of the 4 wefts. They are clip-in, lace-weft. The clips are really durable, which I really like because I've tried other extensions before where the clips are not good and they've broken easily. So these are really great. And I'll show you the color difference. So this is what it looks like when you get them, number 60, and then this is after I've toned them. Because my hair is not golden, my hair is more ashy, so I wanted to tone them to match much better to my hair, and I just used my purple shampoo, but they are 100% Remy hair, so you can properly tone them if you need to. You can dye them, add low lights, add highlights, whatever you need to. So I'm going to show you how I put them in my hair. So my hair is a pretty good length, but my hair isn't thick. My hair is very thin. I don't have a lot of hair. I guess I do, but it's just really thin hair. So I'm gonna show you. So the first thing I'll do, you just want to part it. Make sure it's even on both sides. So it does come with more wefts. So in total it comes with 1 4 weft. It comes with 2 3 wefts. It comes with 2 2 wefts. And it also comes with 3 singles as well as the sample, which I also toned. So all in all, this is a lot of hair. And for me, I don't need to put it all in, just because it's a little much for me. But this is the amount that I haven't put in my hair. And one thing I'd like to say, it's really soft, like really soft. But this is the amount that I still have not put in my hair. And you can see my hair is already much thicker. Like I have an actual ponytail now. So if I want to wear them just to have a little bit of volume and a little bit extra, I only use the 4. So I use the 4 weft, I use the 3, and then I use the singles on the sides. So I hope that you guys like this video. Definitely check them out. I will put the code in the caption below so that way you can get a discount if you order them. Thank you so much, guys.